In this video, let us discuss about the various network topologies. What do you mean by topology? The structure of the network of how all the components are interconnected to each other are called as topology. It describes the arrangement of nodes, cables, and how it make up a network. It also refers to how the network is laid out physically. One or more devices connected to a link or two or more links forms a topology. The geometrical representation of all the nodes in the network is called as physical topology. The topologies are classified into bus, star, ring, mesh, tree, and hybrid. Now let's go through the detail of each topologies. Bus topology. In this topology, all the devices are connected through a single communication cable, which is called as the backbone cable. It transmits the data from one end to the another in a single direction, and as it reaches the end, the terminator removes the data from the line. The backbone cable acts as a single path through which the message is broadcasted to all the devices. Advantages and disadvantages of bus topology. Advantages. It is suitable for small network. A failure in one device will not have effect on the other devices. Easy to add new devices. It is the easiest network technology. Disadvantages. If the backbone cable fails, then the whole network will be down. Bidirectional communication is not possible here. This topology is not suitable for large networks. Ring topology. A network configuration in which devices are connected in a circular data path is called as ring topology. Each device is connected to the next device on both sides like a point-to-point connection, and the first and the last devices are also connected. Here, the data flows in one direction. The device that receives the message from the previous computer will retransmit to the next device. So the data is transmitted successively and it can't skip devices in between. Advantages and disadvantages of ring topology. Advantages. The collision possibility is minimum in this topology. This is very cheap to install and expand. Disadvantages. The whole network gets disturbed if any one device fails. Troubleshooting is difficult here. The data transmission gets disturbed by adding or removing a device. Star topology. In this topology, all the devices are connected to a single central node called as hub through a cable. The devices are not directly connected to other devices. The central node acts as an exchange. That is, if one device wants to transmit data to another, it sends the data to the controller, which then transmits the data to the other connected device. So, we can say that the star topology does not allow direct traffic between devices. The central node acts as a server while the other devices act as client. Coaxial cable or RJ45 cables are used to connect the computers. Advantages and disadvantages of star topology. Advantages. Each device needs only one link and one input-output port to connect it to any number of others. It is easy to install and reconfigure. Failure of one device will not affect the other computers in the network. The addition and removal of a device in a network is very easy. Disadvantages. Data transmission performance depends on the hub. If the hub fails, the whole system stops. The installation cost is very high. Mesh topology. In mesh topology, every device is connected to other device through a dedicated point-to-point link. The dedicated link means the data transmission happens only between those devices it connects. The number of connections in this network can be calculated using the formula n into n-1 divided by 2. The total number of ports that are required by each device is n-1, where n is the number of devices. Mesh topology is classified into two, full mesh topology and partial mesh topology. In full mesh topology, each device is connected to all other devices in the network, while in partial mesh topology, all devices are not connected to each other. Advantages and disadvantages of mesh topology. Advantages. Failure of a device does not cause a break in the network or transmission of data. It provides security and privacy. Adding a new device does not interrupt data transmission between other devices. Disadvantages. Installation and configurations are difficult. The maintenance cost is very higher. As the cable cost is higher, it is suitable for less number of devices. Tree topology. In this topology, all the devices are connected like the branches of a tree. The topmost node is known as the root node and all the other nodes are the descendants of the root nodes. Here, only one path exists between any two nodes for the data transmission on the network. It has a parent-child hierarchy. This is usually implemented in WAN. Advantages and disadvantages. In advantages, adding a new device to the existing one is very easy. Detection of error and maintenance is easy. The failure of one device will not affect the network. If one device gets damaged, the other devices do not get affected. Disadvantages. If the root node fails, the whole network fails. The cost is high because it requires a huge cable. The implementation cost is also high. Hybrid topology is a combination of two or more types of network topology. The hybrid topology will have a characteristics of all the combinations of the topologies. For example, if there is a star topology in one office division and another division has a ring topology, then the combination of these topologies is called as hybrid topology. Advantages and disadvantages of hybrid technology. Advantages. The hybrid technology can be designed according to the requirement of the organization. Adding a new device to the existing topology is very easy. The failure of one device will not affect the whole network. Disadvantages. In hybrid topology, the design is very complex, so the configuration and the installation process need to be very efficient. The hybrid architecture is very costly. The hubs used here are very costly, as these hubs are different from the usual hubs used in the other topologies. Thank you for watching the video. For more details, please visit our website or mail to us.